Hey everyone, Rich here from Earthwise Packaging, and today we're looking at our USA-made 98mm pre-roll tubes from CoolJarz. They're sleek, measuring in at 98mm by 0.70 inches with a straight wall design. Our pre-roll tubes are ASTM D3475 certified, child-resistant, resealable and recyclable, and a pop-top design. They're available in 3 basic colors, including white, clear, and black, opaque colors including green and purple, and translucent colors including green, purple, smoke, and blue. Custom colors are available with a minimum order quantity. Our pre-roll tubes are available in a variety of lengths and widths ranging from 78mm to 126, normal to extra wide widths, and straight or taper wall designs, so you can customize to your product. All of our products are made from eco-friendly materials that use 50% less polypropylene and are FDA-certified and food-safe with BPA-free materials. All of our products are available down to single box quantities up to 1 pallet or even 1 truckload. We have various pricing tiers that give great discounts if you buy in bulk, but still budget-friendly for those smaller homegrown operations. Since we are the manufacturer and make them 100% in the US, you'll never have to wait for that slow boat crossing the ocean again. We also have available clear, tamper-evident shrink sleeves, as well as custom branded shrink sleeves to set your brand apart. You can even automate your company with our first-to-market SST Shrink Labeling System, turning your business from garage-born into commercial-ready. For more information, we have handy links in our video description, straight to our all-new website. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Till next time, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.